A few weeks ago, Sega released a new Sonic 2D platformer, Sonic Superstars. I've gotten it, and I can safely say it's pretty good, a solid 7.5 out of 10 in my book. So, to celebrate, I decided to build something from the game, specifically this part of the trailer right here. To kick off the build, I had to destroy the Sonic idea set, and this was pretty painful to do. I really do love this set. Can we have a moment of silence, please? Yeah, thank you. I took it apart because I need the pieces to build the first portion of this mock. Next, we need to build a palm tree to decorate the platform. I'm taking these 1x1 modified bricks and surrounding it with brown cheese slopes. Yes, there were casualties, I'm not surprised anymore, honestly. And we repeated the process a couple times before covering the top with green branches. I topped the greenery with some bright green leaf pieces to give it even more of a cartoonish vibe. Oh, sorry, Polly, I didn't need your help with this tree. Now we're gonna repeat the tree process. I like how this is coming together, but it's missing a little something. So I added 1x2 transparent blue and white plates to simulate water. I did this all around the platform build before starting on the second platform. I created an almost maze level floor so I could place these 1x2 builds throughout it. There are a few variations to mix things up, different colors, different pieces, but I'm sticking with light gray and sand green parts. Before we do that, let's go ahead and place the water, since once it's all said and done, we won't be able to flip it without ruining everything. A hop, skip, and a jump later, we can begin filling the platform. This was pretty painstakingly dull, so of course I sped it up for your viewing pleasure. With the second platform down, we need to begin populating it with various builds. Now, we'll grab the world's fastest hedgehog, or well, 4 of them, so I guess it's a tie? Yeah, sure. In Superstars, you can use the Chaos Emeralds to create duplicates of yourself, so to get that effect across, I'll be using all 4 of my Sonic minifigures. I also used a small brick-built set of legs to make it seem like Sonic was mid-motion, and I like this a lot. I made 2 that are basically inverses of each other for variety's sake. After placing our little hogs down, we need an Eggman mech. Since the last Sonic build I did, I've purchased this gorgeous set. The highlight is of course the Egg Mech and our little egg friend, which is way better than that brick-built Eggman. Which do you like more? Comment down below. Either way, I think they're perfect for this build, so let's plop them into the mock. That concludes the building process, so let's take one final look at the build. I've noticed that the times where I build a mock in one sitting, not only do they turn out great, but they also seem to perform better on YouTube. Here's a few examples. Given that, make sure to like this video so we can continue that pattern. I stayed up late building this mock. Regardless, this turned out awesome. I really like the side platform I built, the little flowers, the palm trees, the lime green grass, and the classic checker pattern just looks so cool. The connection point is moderately fragile, you can see it's just one plate holding it all together, but I don't plan on throwing it, so it should be fine. I also love how the stone platform turned out. I haven't used this technique in ages, and it gives a different texture that helps this mock stand out. We've got 4 Sonics, of course, soon to be even more once the next wave comes out. Moving over to the mech, if you're not familiar with the set, you may not know this cool play feature. If you press on his chest, the back pops off and you can put fun little surprises inside. There's not a whole lot of space, but that's okay. I'm happy. The mech also has a fragile connection point, only one of its legs are connected to the actual build, and yeah, it fell over a few times during recording. Another detail I like are these tiki torches. They're really simple, but they get the job splendidly. I don't know, something about this mock just comes together really well for me. The tropical vibe that the game has really works for this build. I don't have much else to say. Be sure to watch some gameplay of Superstars. I don't expect you to fork over the $60. And interact with this video. If it does well, I'll totally build another Sonic mock when the second wave of sets drops next year. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, I guess, maybe, hopefully, bye!